A major milestone in Nigeria's constitutional reform process is underway in the state as the Northwest Zonal Public Hearing begins for a two-day session. The Senate Committee on the Review of the 1999 Constitution is engaging citizens on key amendments aimed at promoting national unity, equity, and development. From calls for the creation of new states to far-reaching judicial reforms, the region's diverse voices are contributing to proposals for a more inclusive and progressive Nigeria. Trust TV's Abdulazeez Ibrahim reports.
It was a day of democratic reflection in Kano as the Senate Committee on the Review of the 1999 Constitution held the Northwest Zonal Public Hearing. Stakeholders from across the region gathered to propose amendments to Nigeria's supreme law focusing on national cohesion, equity, and inclusive governance.
Several key issues we need to address include electoral reforms, judicial reforms focused on case management and administration, enhancement to local administration, the involvement of traditional institutions in contemporary governance, promoting human rights, ensuring women participation in governance, the devolution and distribution of powers, and concerns related to security and policing.
Various memoranda previously submitted from different parts of the region have been drafted into bills now up for deliberation. Kano State Governor Abba Kabir Yusuf, represented by his Chief of Staff Suleiman Wali, stressed the need for inclusive reforms.
We admonish all and sundry to adopt and imbibe the Kano model of tolerance and accommodation for other communities by leveraging diversity to engender inclusive economic growth, prosperity, and national duty. It, however, should be noted that the creation of states is inevitable if the national mandate is adopted. Kano State wishes to place on record that long-standing aspirations of its people for the creation of the two additional states, Gari and Tiga states. These proposed states are ambitioned to bring governance closer to the people.
Traditional rulers also weighed in. The Wazir in Katsina, Ibrahim emphasized the crucial role of traditional institutions in governance and national development.
We support very clearly the establishment of a council of traditional rulers of the country, the national. We support it. We have seen the role in the draft bill. What we stand for is we wish the functions are more, but at least the one that we have seen contained in the bill is a good starter. We believe that over time, that more and more, because traditional institutions are institutions that are very useful, but somehow, of whatever reason, they are not being properly or exhaustively utilized. Now, on state creation, we want to say clearly and categorically that Katsina State supports that whichever agitation meets the constitutional requirement of Section 8 and 9 should be considered with favor. In our state, we have two agitations, Bayajida and Karadwa. And we said that we support this. Now, women representation. We very strongly advocate that a minimum of 35% of appointments should be given to states.
The hearing continues on Sunday with more draft bills expected to reflect the Northwest's concerns, aspirations, and diverse perspectives. Abdulazeez Ibrahim, Trust TV News, Kano.